What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 1,000. We almost there. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, today I got a review for y'all that y'all will rarely see on my channel. But, I mean, y'all clicked on it. Y'all seen that title. So, y'all want to see this joint, man. Got this orange box. Tag reads Nike Vapor Edge Dunk. Now, if you are familiar with sports and football cleats, you know the Vapor Edge is one of the best Nike football cleats that they've released recently, man. And this year Nike gifted these joints to their top, to their top Nike athletes, man. So here we have the Nike football special for the 2022-2023 season. This is the Nike Vapor Edge Panda Dunk, man. This is a Panda Dunk football cleat. Yes, a Panda Dunk football cleat, man. I know that's crazy, but that's what this is, man. Now, initially, I just picked these joints up thinking that'd be like a regular Panda with the football cleat hit to it, but these joints are a lot more than that, bro. To be honest with you, the details on these are crazy, and Nike Football really did their thing, bro. One of my bros, Mike, worked for Nike Football, and he's always just talking about their projects and things, bro, and they always are cooking some crazy stuff, man. They always cooking some crazy stuff, bro. But here we have the dunk, bro. Here we have the dunk. Here we have a dunk. That sounds crazy, a Nike Dunk football cleat, bro. But let's get into it, man. This is basically a Panda Dunk colorway, man. It has a holographic swoosh on that outside, man. That's a really nice touch to it. On the back, it has the Nike in like a holographic color. It has the white sock liner that all the Vapor Edge cleats have. On the laces, they have like this green and blue like speckles, man. They really added some nice touches, bro. It's like holographic color change all the way around on all the details. Holographic Nike tag on the tongue. Basic Panda color blocking other than that, man. Black and white. They changed it up with a few hits. The outsole, the cleat plates is like a pearl bottom on the white part, man. It's like a multicolored pearl. And then the outside plates are like a green pearl, like color changing swoosh, bro. These joints are really crazy. It's really crazy. Like Nike and Jordan Brand, like they have been going crazy with the football cleats. They had the Jordan 1s, they got Jordan 1 baseball cleats, the Jordan 11s, they've done Jordan 4s, Jordan 7s, Jordan 6s. And I still play football. I play flag football every week. So really about 52 weeks in here, about 42 weeks I'm playing flag football. So I just bought a pair of the Vapor Edge regular cleats in black. And then these dropped last week, man. And I had to hop on it, bro. Just as a sneakerhead, bro. I always try to have like some fire cleats on the field, man. I had Jordan 1s, I had Jordan 11s. My 11s fell apart on me. Played with those all through college and like through my men's league recently. Grabbed the Jordan 1s, man. And these are dope, bro. I had a couple of different Oregon PE cleats and things like that, bro. But this is hands down like the cleanest pair of cleats I think I've ever had, man. I had the Shadow ones. I had Space Jam 11s for football cleats, but these are crazy. Just the details on these are really, really insane, man. They super light, and I mean, they're fly, bro. They're fly. They dropped earlier this week and sold out just slowly throughout the day, but maybe they have like size 7 and 16 left. But I think these are gonna go crazy in the fall once football season comes around, man. I'm definitely gonna play in mine, bro. This is a personal pair, size 12. Like I said, I play flag football every week, so these are going straight on feet, bro. Like these are going straight on feet. I'll try to do like a different like on foot review so I can show y'all how they feel and just give y'all a review like that. But these joints are clean, bro. Now getting back into the shoe, man, like I said, they do have some really, really dope laces on there with the color changed on the lace. On the lace tips, they do have like a holographic color. This kind of goes from like green to gold on the lace tips, bro. And like I said, a lot of the Nike athletes had these. Michael Parsons played in these a lot this season. Saquon Barkley played in them. So a lot of the big name Nike athletes were playing in this exact shoe this season. And they finally just went ahead and dropped them. I'm not sure how limited they were, but like I said, they did sell out. I've been seeing people sell them on eBay for $400, $350, even $500 sales that they have, bro. But these are getting rocked, bro. Our jerseys for my flag football team are black, white, and gray, like Oregon-ish inspired colorway, bro. So these are getting rocked for sure, bro. But just getting back into the cleat, man. It has like a, I wouldn't say this is leather. I'm not sure what kind of material it is, but we're gonna call it leather, man. Leather, black on the toe guard, white leather on the toe box, man. Nothing crazy, nothing like you would see on a sneaker, but like some durable leather for football, man. I mean, it's an athletic shoe. It's made to last and it's made to be durable, bro. But before I've worn them and got them dirty, bro, I had to do a review, man. I did not think I'll be having a sneaker cleat review on my sneaker channel, bro, but they did it. It's a Panda, the hottest shoe in the streets, man. You see Pandas every day, 10, 15, 20 times a day. They brought them to the football field, man. This is one of those shoes that you see a lot of customs of and things like that this year with the football cleats. You see a lot of like Kobe inspired cleats and things like that. So for Nike to go ahead and drop the Panda that the players actually wore this year, it's insane, bro. It's insane. Now on the inside of the shoe, it's just the same as well, man. It has that metallic like holographic swoosh, the white sock liner, man. The insole is just a regular black insole with the white Nike on the inside, man. Nothing super special about the insole. But the cleat itself, man, it's crazy, bro. I was expecting just a regular black and white cleat, black laces, and just a regular Panda. But when you get these joints in hand, bro, the details are insane. Even the pictures on Nike on the website, you can't really tell the details as much as you can tell in person, bro. But these are clean, man. That pearl on the white part of the cleat plates, man. That green right there, you can see it kind of like turn the colors from like a light green to a dark green, man. That pearl looks crazy. Even that swoosh is like a matted color, but it kind of changes from like black to green. So like, these are clean, bro. I'm definitely gonna rock these joints 1000%, bro. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see like a on-field review of these joints and let y'all know how they feel. I'm pretty sure they're gonna feel the exact same as the Vapors that I just bought. I just wore those for the first time last week. Cause it's the same foot plate, it's the same mold, I guess would be the technical name for it. They just did a custom upper, bro, and they made it into a Panda. So I'm pretty sure these joints are gonna go crazy, man. As you can see, they dropped the Panda this year. Oregon and Kyler Murray both wore the Dion, the Diamond Turf. So hopefully they drop some of those. I'm pretty sure Oregon is gonna do some Pandas because they always do everything first, man. I know I saw a video of Kyler Murray. He had like the Oregon Diamond Turfs on before they start sending him his personal pairs and his story related to like how Dion played football and baseball. Kyler was drafted in the first round of the baseball draft, and he's a big time football and baseball guy. So that's why he wore the Diamond Turf this year. So hopefully we get a release of those. And like I said, that Oregon green pair is super clean, so I can't wait to see what Nike cooks up for Oregon, man. You know, those uniforms and their cleats are always like the first and the most crazy colorways, bro. So I'm really, really excited to see what Nike does with those, bro. So y'all do me a favor, man. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about sneakers being crossed over into the football world. And just let me know how you guys are feeling about these, bro. This is a Panda Dunk on a football cleat, bro. This is a Panda Dunk on a football cleat. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these, bro. I can't wait to bring these joints out and wear them, bro. They're super light. I love this cleat plate. It feels really good on feet, man. It's a lot of support. I kind of have like bad ankles, I would say. I kind of roll my ankles a lot, but with these wide foot plates and the wide spikes on here, bro, I didn't feel any twitchiness in my ankles when I wore the my other Vapor cleats that I just bought. So with these just being a Panda, bro, it's a hands down. It's a hands down cop for me, bro. Hopefully they release some other colorways, man, and they just keep dropping heat, bro. I want to see that Diamond Turf release, like I said before. And I was a big time Jordan cleat guy, man. I wore the 1s, I wore the 11s for like the past like 6 or 7 years. That's all I've been wearing was Jordan cleats. Before that, I had like a couple of Oregon PEs. I had the Oregon PE with the wings on them. I had the Dornbecker Oregon cleats, but these are like my favorite ones, bro. They're black and white. Details crazy on the laces, man. I'm glad the camera's picking up that detail, man. You can see the holographic on the tongue tag, the holographic on the back, man. The holographic swoosh, black and white, super icy white, man. I'm just mad that we play on grass now in my men's league. A lot of the tournaments in our games in college were on the turf fields of the whatever college we played at, but now I'm playing flag on grass, so these are gonna get beat up, unfortunately. But they're clean right now. Football cleats are meant to be football cleats. I can't be mad about getting them dirty, but I really don't want to get these joints dirty, man. So I might just save these for turf games only, for like the different tournaments where we do play on turf. But man, these joints are clean, bro. Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these Panda Dunk, freaking Panda Dunk football cleats, bro. Panda Dunk football cleats. That sounds crazy. That sounds crazy. I'm super happy Nike released these joints, bro. And I'm super happy to have them. Glad I grabbed them before they sold out. But overall, man, that just about wraps it up for this video, man. We have the Nike Dunk football cleat, bro. The Nike Vapor Dunk football cleat. That's crazy. I keep saying it. We got the Nike Vapor Dunk football cleat, man. Until next time on the next video, I'll get some shots of these joints on the field, man. Peace.